Benzene has a vapor pressure of 121.8 millimeters mercury at 30 degrees Celsius. When 15 grams of a non-volatile solute is dissolved in 0.250 kilograms benzene, the solution has a vapor pressure of 120.2 millimeters of mercury. What is the solute's approximate molar mass? Okay, so now we're not dealing with water as a solvent, it's actually benzene. So I'm going to say, I'm going to organize two categories here. Solute, solvent, which is our benzene. And benzene has a molecular formula of just C6H6. And if we go ahead and look at the periodic table, let's calculate the molar mass of it. So you got 6 times the 12 plus an additional 6. So it's about 78.11 grams per mole. Okay.